All right, some people say that analog scopes are invaluable for looking at modulation. So let's take a look at that. This is a signal that is a 3 megahertz carrier being modulated AM with 60% depth. And so we can go to 100%. That was 110. This is 110% modulation, 100% modulation, 50% modulation. So yeah, so this is what people are saying the analog scopes are really, really good at. All right. And so let's take a look at digital scope at the same time. So I'll put digital scope up here in the corner, and we can compare the two together. So let's go back to level 50%, 100% modulation. Looking pretty good. All right. The other cool thing you can do, well, we'll show one more thing. We'll go to high speed. So some people like to look at the modulation in this particular form. So let's zoom in. There we go. All right, so here we have modulation as well. We are looking at the carrier. All right, so some people like to see this picture instead, so I've zoomed way in. So my time base is 100 nanoseconds. And go back to level, oops, go back to modulation depth. Here's 100% and 30%, okay? So they look pretty similar to me. Looks like one's not winning over the other one. Let's go to the display, and let me turn on color. Look at that. So now we're seeing a much different picture on the color one. Probably has more information in it. You can look at kind of the brightness level of the CRT, get the same amount of information, but the color is very, very nice as well. So as we change from modulation depth, we can see basically the color histogram of what's going on. And then let's zoom back out again to see the big picture. Change my triggering again. And we will change modulation depth. Go to 100%, 110. I don't know. I don't think that digital scopes are hindered anymore. They probably were in the past, or cheaper scopes and stuff, but basically digital scopes are holding their own for this particular test. So if you're hanging on to your analog oscilloscope just because of this, you might want to rethink it.